Our firecracker salmon, I start with the marinade. So we have soy sauce here, dark brown sugar. I add garlic and just some cayenne pepper for a touch of spice. Mix that really well, and I also reserve about a tablespoon of the marinade just to brush over later on after it's baked. So we take the marinade here and brush it really well onto the salmon, and then we're going to take that to the stove, and we bake this for about 10 to 12 minutes. When it's cooked through, we remove from the oven and place it right into the meal prep container. And I also grab that marinade that I put aside and brush it on. It gives it really nice punch of flavor.